In this video, we will learn how to determine a file's type with file command in Linux. It is useful to know what files contain. To this, we will use the file command. Over here, I'm in my download folder and I'll use ls command to list the content of directory. I have this image file index.png. I can use file and the name of file index.png to know about its type. You can see it printed out the information about the file, and I will now move to my root directory and it's the content over there, and over here I can do file, and this I will select this file.txt. You can see it printed ASCII for this one, and the before one is image data file, so it printed JPEG image data and more information. Now let's try on a tar file, and a file, and copy this name over here, tar gz file. So you can see it printed gzip compressed data. So this way you can find this type of file by using file command on Linux. To learn more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep supporting us. Thank you.